Hi all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, MongoDB. So in the previous session we saw what is NoSQL databases, that is non-relational non-binary SQL databases, which is a very flexible schema which supports flexible schema. And then we saw about the types of NoSQL databases available. So it is key value, column oriented, graph and document oriented. Then we saw about what is a difference between an SQL and NoSQL. Then when and where not to use NoSQL also we have seen. And then we saw what is MongoDB. So MongoDB is the most popular NoSQL database which supports document oriented, and also it uses BSON to query databases. It stores all the things in the form of BSON documents. So we have seen the key features: indexing, scalability, load balancing, aggregations, etc. Now we will see what are the data types supported in MongoDB. So the data types supported in MongoDB are string, integer, boolean, double, min-max, array, timestamp, object, null, symbol, date, object ID, binary data, code, regular expression. So these are the data types that are supported by MongoDB. So who is using MongoDB? MongoDB has been used as a backend software by a few major websites and services, including Toyota, Cisco, Pearson, eBay, SAP, Guild, etc. So these are the leading giants that are using MongoDB databases. Let's see the terms available in MongoDB. So the database terms that are available are MongoDB, collection, documents, field names. So databases, a database is one or more collection of documents. Collection, it means it stores documents in the form of collections. It is similar to tables in relational databases. Documents, these MongoDB stores data record as BSON documents and which is similar to JSON, binary object notation, binary script object notation, documents and similar to JSON, JavaScript object notation, objects. It is similar to row in relational databases. So these are composed of field and value pairs and follows the structure field 1, value 1, etc. up to field n, value n. So what is a field name? A field name is nothing but a column. What we call column in relational database, we call field name in MongoDB. So let's see an example. So name shoe. So field name is name and the value of the field name is shoe. So same we can find the other things. So this is how a field value pair will be entered. So the relationship between SQL and MongoDB terms, when we call database in SQL, it means database in MongoDB as well. When we call table, it is a collection, index, row, BSON document, column, BSON field, primary key, it's ID field, group by, aggregation, join, you can use embedding and linking. So how to create a database. So how to create a database. So to create a database in MongoDB, I have to use the command use database name. For example, if I have to create a database called MyDB, then I have to give use MyDB. So this will create a new database which is ready with the name MyDB. If it makes a new database in the system. If it does not exist, if the database exists, it uses that database for the collection of documents. So to list all the databases, I have to use the command show DBS. So this command lists down all the databases and their sizes of the disk. MyDB database is not created when you look into this, because until you save a document in it, it will not be shown. So to create a collection, I have to use the following command, db.create collection with the syntax name, option. So the syntax is db.create collection name option. So name is nothing but the name of collection to be created, and option is a document and is used to specify configuration of collections such as capped, auto-indexed, size. So to list all the collections that I have created in my database, I have to use the command show collections. So if I give all the documents available in that. For example, in my DB, it will show list all the collections. So I have created 2 collections, Hi and Students. The next one is to drop. So to drop a database or a collection, I have to use, to delete a database, the command, the syntax used is db.dropDatabase. If I have to use, or if I have to delete a collection, then I have to use db.collection.drop. So for example, if I have to drop a database, it is db.dropDatabase. If I have to delete a collection, the command used is, for example, if I have to delete a collection student, then it is db.student.drop. So to create documents in MongoDB, I have 2 methods. One is insert one and the next one is insert many. So insert one is used to create only one document at a time. If I have to use many documents of similar data type, then I can use db.collection insert many. For example, db.students.insert1. This is the command. Or if I have to use many documents at a time, it is db.collection name is student. So db.collection.insert many. Hope it is clear for you. So to retrieve documents, I have to use db.collection.find. So here the collection name is student. So the command or the syntax is db.student.find. To put it in a formatted output, I have to use db.student.find.pretty. So pretty is the command to give a proper formatted output. So to update documents, if I have missed anything and if I need to update anything, there are 2 ways to update document. One is using update one and update many. So the syntax is db.collection.update1, or the other one is db.collection.update many. Here, for example, for students document, if I have, for students collection, if I have to update the document, then the syntax used is db.student.update1. If I have to use for multiple things, then it is db.students.find update many, or find. To find whether the database is available, you can use find, and if it is to update many, I have to use db.collection update